how to set up ChatGPT. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up your ChatGPT. So let's start. First of all, open your browser, and here you can see the ChatGPT. Search here ChatGPT. So click on this and you can see here many websites. So click on any of this and the ChatGPT homepage are opened here, and click on try ChatGPT. You can also download ChatGPT on desktop. So I click on try ChatGPT and the home page of open the ChatGPT. And if you not signed in the ChatGPT, so you can't see this history page. So you can sign up with by clicking on here. So click on and write the email address and or sign up with Google account. So you can also set up your account, then you can reach this page, get this page, and write here any question. What is the capital of USA? Okay, and search here, and you can see the answer will be right here, AI. So depend on your network and so I write again and click on this, and you can see the capital of United States is Washington DC. The answer I get it. And if any the server crash and many people are using the ChatGPT website, so the conversation is late, and I use the free version of the ChatGPT, so I get the time. So you can use your paid version, then no delay in conversation. So thanks for watching this video.